Whoa, would you look at that? Would you look at that gloss? Looks so good. What's up, everybody? I just want to do a quick tutorial and review on a clear coat that I've been using on my vehicles over the last couple years. If you're doing a do-it-yourself project for your vehicle, I highly recommend checking out the clear coat that's in the link below. If you can see here, I painted my spoiler about 2 years ago, and besides for the automotive touch-up paint doing a great job matching the factory paint, you can back away from the car and you can totally see the clear coat on that and how it matches so closely to the factory paint. Great clear coat. It's got a hardener inside that you press to release, and you can use the can up to 48 hours. I've also used it on my mud flaps, which is all the way around the car, and you can see there that those came out nice. And then of course, if you check out the link right here, you'll see that I have painted the front bumper on my 2002 Saab 9.3 convertible, and it too came out really nice with this clear coat. So check out the link right below. I am definitely doing a product plug, and if you buy from that link, you'll for sure be supporting my channel, so I appreciate that. Definitely share some stories and comments below on this product if you have used it before. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys next time.